G'day guys, it's Tuesday the 3rd of October, and just looking at the daily chart here on US 30, we see that we are definitely heading towards this area here, 32,500, where there's imbalance to the left to fill, okay, and the first area where we'll get a bit of resistance is just under here at 33,000, so where the imbalance begins, this will fill here, okay. Still within this channel to the upside, so we'll see what happens in this region here. I'd like to see it kind of bounce around here and then kick back to the upside. It'll be pretty drastic if it does push to the downside through 32,500. So it's a Dow Jones index. Just quickly looking at some of the other pairs and instruments on the higher time frame, just to give some context. We see that we are definitely pulling out of this bull trend here that started in January. Up until September here in the Nasdaq, which is indicative of general bearishness in the market. And then this gold sell has just been so full on. Okay, so we've dropped $100 from 1920 to 1820 since last Thursday, the 21st of September. It began Friday, and then we've had this smash all week. Pretty much a clean, one of the very, very clean movements that we get now and then. Okay, and definitely making a statement here in regards to where it's going next. It's out of its bull run, okay, and we'll see what happens. But gold is really sticking between this long-term range at the moment. So we've hit all-time highs 3 times now, 2,000, and it's rejected that area, and it's coming back to, we're at a 50% pullback at the moment. So definitely not buying that at the moment or selling it. I'm just sitting on the sidelines with gold. British pound has been taking a massive beating. The USD is strong at the moment, which is it's indicative of safe haven buying of the US dollar. So that means that there is a bit of turmoil in the markets. We see the pound has been selling off pretty hard here, and AUD is just very weak as well. So that's what we're looking at the moment. The whole market from the daily perspective, and now looking at the 30-minute time frame on US 30. I'm going to stick with US 30 at the moment. We can see it's pretty easy to, the blue lines here are just the index open. Okay, I'm just looking at the index open at the moment. You see it's quite easy to pick a setup using the 30-minute here around the index open when it forms. Okay, like this. And we see here with that beautiful sell yesterday that formed during London, right? London sell that we had planned, during the day. I put that into the group, and we could see that there was a sell setup, which was really lovely. We get a really nice sell through the to the index open, and thereon furthermore to a lower low. Okay, right now the same kind of thing is happening. We had another high through London, and we've sold off around the London open or London midday, and we're continuing to the downside. I'm not looking to buy this, nor am I looking to get on any sell at the moment. You really needed to get on the sell prior to the index open. You can do that with the 30-minute time frame, just chucking in the automation on the 3-minute. You can get on a nice sell during the London session prior if you're up then, but at the moment the pattern is not something that I'm looking to buy. In the once it's down here during the index open, I want to see it come up. If we get a nice buy up, something like this during the London session, I will look to sell this area of supply, something like that, near the median, okay, and then look to get back on with the automation in that kind of pattern. So really the next sell that I'm looking for is something like this on US 30 for now. It's the only thing I'm looking at the moment, okay. I don't want to go, if you look at gold in the lower time frame, this is just not tradable for us at the moment. Okay, I definitely want to get in on a sell there because it might kick up, and I don't want to get in on a buy because it could be still tanking to the downside. A very strong downtrend, and Nasdaq as well it is putting some nice moves in, but I'd rather just stay focused on US 30 at the moment because we've been playing plenty of money on US 30, and it's nice just to be back in flow with this. So that's what I'm looking at for US 30 for now. I'll see you guys in the group this evening. Just be patient. We're riding out this big movement to the downside at the moment. Here is where all the money is made, right? All through these areas here. So, we still can make some really good money at the moment. It's just being patient and waiting for that pullback up to the median area, up to the ribbon. The ribbon is very clearly in a downtrend at the moment.